Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to send a voice message on the X app. If you've ever wanted to send a quick message without typing, or just wanted your words to sound more personal, sending a voice note is the perfect option. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. As soon as you're on the home screen, take a look at the bottom navigation bar. You'll see a row of icons, and what you're looking for is the message icon. Tap on it to open up your inbox. Once you're inside your messages, go ahead and select the conversation you want to use. This can be an existing chat, or even a new one if you're starting fresh. After opening the chat, you should see the text box area at the bottom of the screen. Now here's the important part. To send a voice message, look for the small record icon right next to the typing field. It usually looks like a little microphone. When you're ready, press and hold that icon to start recording your message. While you're holding it down, speak clearly into your phone so the person on the other end can hear you without a problem. When you're finished, simply release the icon, and your voice message will be sent instantly into the conversation. If you change your mind while recording, most devices allow you to slide your finger away from the icon to cancel instead of sending it. This way, you don't have to worry if you mess up or want to try again. That's really all there is to it. By following these quick steps, open the app, tap on the message icon, choose a chat, hold the record button, and then send. You'll be able to send voice messages anytime you'd like. It's simple, convenient, and a fast way to connect on the go.